Welcome to today's lesson. This is going to be the first part of many parts that will walk you through how to use Microsoft Excel to do basic statistical analyses. And you might find this very helpful if you're going to be submitting a scientific abstract to a national meeting or even a regional meeting, and you just have to get your statistics done because you're about to face a deadline and you don't have access to a statistician. Microsoft Excel is a really great tool to use to get a large number of statistical analyses done, but you have to know a little bit about how to use Excel. So in this first part, we're going to talk about how to load up the data analysis software package on Microsoft Excel so that you can perform a variety of statistical analyses. To do that, let's look at the type of Microsoft Excel that you have first. So I'm going to try to figure out what type of Excel I have. And if I can't do that, that's okay, because this is probably 2007 or 2010. You should go to the top left side of your screen. You'll either have a circle like this, which probably indicates 2007, or you'll have the word file, which indicates a little more newer version of Microsoft Excel. Either one is fine, and you're looking for something called options, either Excel options or just options. In my version of Excel, I have it down here. When I click on it, I get this box. Now what's important about this box is the feature called add-ins. You want to add into your current Microsoft Excel software the data analysis package. That's how you're going to perform all of your statistical analyses. And it turns out that Microsoft Excel does not load that up for you automatically. So you might have wondered why Excel would be a good tool to use for statistical analyses if you couldn't find this option. Well, you couldn't find this option because they didn't load it for you. But it's really easy to load. You don't even need the CD-ROM that has Microsoft Excel. All you need is what I'm showing you here. So click on add-ins. Alright, now you're going to see a bunch of add-ins that are available to you. All of these are on your hard drive. They're just not loaded up. We're not interested in all of these. We're interested in just in some of them. So let's go to Manage Excel Add-ins, which is down here, and hit Go. And these are the add-ins that are available to you. The very first one ought to say Analysis ToolPak, and that's one that you want, so click that box. And the very last one should be Solver Add-in, and that's one that you want, so click that box. You don't really need anything else, although you could add it. Since you're here, you might as well add everything. But for the purposes of these tutorials, all you need are these two, and hit OK. Now I've already done this, so what ends up happening is when you go to the data ribbon up here, you're going to go all the way to the right and you're going to see these two things under analysis. This probably did not exist on your Microsoft Excel ribbon prior to loading them up. So the data analysis and the solver are going to be your friends in doing any kind of statistical analysis. So let me walk you through this one more time, and once I do, we'll be done with the first part. You'll open up Microsoft Excel. You'll probably have a blank worksheet like this, and you go to the top left. Either you click on the circle or you hit File, and you're going to go to Excel Options. You're looking for the add-ins, so you click on add-ins, and then you want to manage the Excel add-ins, so you hit Go. Here you'll get a list of add-ins that are available. You just want the Analysis ToolPak and the Solver add-in. You don't need Analysis ToolPak VBA. That's called Visual Basic Assistant. That's something for programmers who want to add in some new statistical tools that aren't in the prepackaged Analysis ToolPak. I'm not one of those individuals who can program those type of statistical tools, so you don't really need that. You just need Analysis ToolPak, Solver add-in, checkbox both, hit OK. I've already done that. And to know that you've been successful, click on the data ribbon and look for these two. If you have them, your Excel is now up to date and ready to start performing statistical analyses on your data. And that concludes part 1.